ABC 27 News at 6 starts now. I'm Channing Frampton. Tonight, we are learning more about a court hearing that looked at evidence like this video right here. It's introduced to Catherine Magbanua's retrial. ABC 27's Micah Cho joins us live from the Leon County Courthouse now. Micah, what was some of the evidence that was admitted today?
Channing, at the center of it all, FBI videos that the state hopes makes their case about Magbanua's involvement in the 2014 death of Dan Markel.
A motion in limine is typically to exclude or allow evidence in. And so limine meaning to limit.
Criminal defense attorney Don Pumphrey says it was an important day for both the defense and the state to find out what evidence can be used in Catherine Magbanua's trial in the shooting death of former Florida State professor Dan Markel in 2014. Magbanua is accused of helping set up Markel's murder through her ex-boyfriend Sigfredo Garcia and his childhood friend Luis Rivera. A key piece of evidence for the state, 2 pieces of video with Magbanua and Markel's former brother-in-law Charlie Adelson, who is now also facing murder charges in his death. A version of 2016 FBI recording was played for jurors in Magbanua's 2019 case, but it was difficult to hear. An enhanced version of that video with transcript was released. The state will be allowed to show that unenhanced version, but we'll have to wait a little bit longer on a decision on that new video. On the defense side, Magbanua's attorneys will be allowed to question Rivera, who is currently serving time in jail for Markel's murder. A judge has agreed to allow the defense to question Rivera about his gang affiliation with the Latin Kings. Rivera testified against Magbanua in 2019 in exchange for a plea deal for 19 years for second-degree murder. Pumphrey says the defense will try to bring Rivera's credibility into question.
They would also try to separate Magbanua from this individual who was part of the Latin Kings. In other words, to say, listen, these are not people that collaborate together. They're not friends. They don't know each other.
Additionally, Magbanua's defense also wanted to bring up Magbanua's good character and lack of a record before her arrest in the trial, something Pumphrey says isn't relevant to the case.
Equally, character is not an issue. You can't use good character to try to say, oh, this is a really good person. And so it's not relevant to the issues and the facts of this particular case.
On Tuesday, the court will decide if that FBI enhanced video will be able to be used in court. Again, that court date is on May 16th. For now, live in Tallahassee, Micah Cho, ABC 27.